Is Forex a scam?
Forex is not a scam. If someone is saying Forex is a scam, it's their problem, not our problem. We are making money this side. But on a good week, I can make 5 million.
What is that one big thing that Forex has done for you?
The fact that I never know my FX balance and it does not get finished.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Elo Fasorera na leo tuko na number one Forex trader in 254, Mr. Kafuri. Kafuri, why Kafuri FX?
FX means Forex. So nili abbreviate hapo to FX because I chose to specialize in Forex trading. Then jina Kafuri nilipatiwa way back nikiwa form 1. Yeah, so nimekuwa nikitumia jina for the longest time. I actually came to know about binary and cryptocurrency 1 year after it started trading Forex. So yeah, it is more of what came first. Yeah. So I was not choosing about doing cryptocurrency or doing binary or doing Forex. I just started with Forex. I came to know about all these other things exist later on. Yeah, I never knew about them when I was starting.
Just in a layman language, what is Forex?
The simplest term is foreign exchange. So right in the Forex market, we're just trading an exchange of one currency against the other, strength of one against the other.
And where do you see future of Forex in Kenya?
It has quite improved. If I can recall, when I was starting to trade, so many people actually had no idea about trading Forex. I've empowered, I can say, millions and millions of people, and they are most of them. And if I can add on, most of them that are serious, they're really doing well in the industry. So 5 years from now, if we go on with the same pace, we'll be like double, even 5 times or even 10 times where we are right now.
Is Forex a scam?
Forex is not a scam. If someone is saying Forex is a scam, it's their problem, not our problem. We are making money this side.
How much on a good day have you ever made from Forex?
Close to 1.5 million.
And in a week, maybe?
Sometimes it gets to 5 million, 7 million. Sometimes I can even get 100,000. You see, it's not, the pattern is always irregular. You receive, you also lose, but on a good week I can make 5 million.
And to someone who might want to join Forex, what are the requirements in order for someone to trade Forex?
Yeah, of course you need to have an account to trade. You need to have an account that is linked to a broker so that now you can be engaged to the Forex market. You cannot trade without the account. Then you also need to know and understand the skill sets that you need to trade Forex. With those two, you're set to go. The other things you usually learn as you go on. Things like the mistakes that you do, things like patience, things like the favorite pairs that you're supposed to trade, the favorite stock indices and all that. You learn them as you're continuing. But as long as you have an account and you know what you're doing, you're good to go.
What is that one big thing that Forex has done for you? One big thing that you can point out?
The fact that I never know my FX balance and it does not get finished. I don't check it.
Maybe there's something that pushed you to venture into Forex, because people have different versions. Maybe someone ventured into it because his or her friend was in it. What about you as Kafuri?
For me, I just wanted to be financially free. I just wanted to have money every time. Yeah.
Where do you see Kafuri in the next 5 years?
Of course, I'll still be trading. And I've done a lot, actually a lot. If anything, 10 times what I've done right now. So actually, to start with, I love traveling. You see, like right now you're in Kisumu. I've never been in Kisumu. So I thought it wise, if I'm going to Kisumu, why don't I go to Kisumu to see Kisumu and also touch some people as I'm living my life. Actually, I'm just living my life. So that's why these Forex expos are just free. If I choose to go to Machakos, I just set up a seminar there when I'm doing my business, when I'm doing my parties, everything. I just touch some few lives there, teach people some one or two clues, and then my life continues.
A young university or a young graduate, what advice can you give him to someone who is depressed, doesn't have a job, and also for you to trade in forex, you must have a capital.
To start with, you don't need a lot of money to start trading, because I can use myself as an example. I did not have a lot of money when I started trading. So what I did, I chased on getting the skill set first. So with the skill set, you can be able to manage a big account or a small account. Then for the people that they have finished campus, or maybe they're in campus, I don't mean that they're supposed to venture into forex as well. You know, we have several business opportunities out there and a lot of opportunities. So for me, what I can advise them is that if any opportunity comes their way, they're supposed to try. Let them set the foot in, and then let them be consistent. One day, one time, one of these things that they are setting their foot in, as long as it's legitimate, it will work for them.
What is the one secret of becoming a successful trader?
Discipline. It's just discipline. Owing to the fact that the money that you're investing in the forex market is not yours anymore. It is now for you and the other forex traders. Just discipline.
The minimum amount that someone may trade with. The minimum amount.
There is no minimum amount and there is no maximum amount, because someone's maximum amount is someone's minimum account. So you invest according to what you want to lose.
As low as $1?
No, $1 cannot trade, but the minimum, the least is I guess $10. I want to leave an open legacy. It's like an open book. So for the people to see the work I've done, and of course, you know, I'm positively doing this. So I want people to see that I've done things differently from the other people the way they have been doing them, because I'm a man of my own style. So I just want to leave a style of legacy behind. Yeah. So what stands out with FX PESA is the fact that those people are very supportive, you know, and there are people that you can go to in case of anything, in case of technicalities, or even, you know, FX PESA is not there like a company to make money. FX PESA is there like a friend to help you in the forex journey. So it is a win-win situation.
How many in number those you have trained in forex?
There are a lot. There are almost millions, because if you check on my YouTube views, there are a lot. If you check my impressions on Instagram as well, there are a lot. So it's not specifically people enrolling in my mentorship. There are people that have watched my contents on my social media platforms. So there are basically a lot. Even on the people that they have enrolled in my mentorship, they are about 5,000, I guess, 5,000 plus.
We have seen you collaborating with the other traders, yet you are successful.
No, I have not collaborated with any trader. We just meet and share ideas. Collaboration means coming together and doing something together. I have not done that yet. For me, what I'm trying to do right now is creating a rapport, getting to meet them and knowing them. For the people that are starting to trade, don't think that you'll make millions in the first day of trading. Just take it slowly. Just love the pace, you know. You say fall in love with the process, and have a lot of discipline, patience and consistency, and all these things will work out for you, but it takes time.